Hi guys, and welcome back to another week of grocery haul. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul. Did I just say that? I don't know. But welcome back. My name is Janice, and I spent $120 at Aldi. There's a new Aldi's open up in our area. The other one, I think I had to go like 10 to 12 minutes away from my house to get to that. This one is about 8, depending on how fast I'm driving. And I spent $120. And then I went to Walmart, and I was supposed to only spend $20, and I spent $44. So in total, I think that's $160 something. Not bad considering my weekly, every 2 week grocery budget is $200, $400 a month for a family of 7. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, let's get into this. This is Walmart and Aldi's combined together. So let's get into this. I don't like to start with meat, so let's start over here. Pasta. I'm not gonna pronounce this name because anyways, come here guys. Come here. Because I need space. So as I say the name, I pass them to my kids. So we got pasta. We have hot dogs. You can rest them on that table right there. We have kettle chips original. These are so good. These are Clancy's. And this is the jalapeno one. It's really good. We have hamburger. Another thing of hamburger. We have 4 things of corn. We're doing 4th of July. We're cooking out, and we have guests coming over. So there's 4 adults. So I only got corn for adults because I was not about to sit at Walmart and pick through the corn section. Because even though it's like 4, don't mind my toddler. Okay, I'm going to give you yours. Okay, hang on. Yeah, I wasn't about to sit and pick through corn for kids. Like, no. So I got 4. And then I have some giant marshmallows because we do have a fire pit, and every now and then we like to light up the fire and sit out there and roast marshmallows. It's been really hot, so we haven't been able to do that in a little while, but just in case, we do throw some firewood in the fire pit and light up a fire. We have marshmallow, you know what I mean? So we have that. Then I got some strawberry cream cheese, and then I also have the regular cream cheese. And then I have some turkey chicken breast here, and that's good, guys. I think I have enough space now to work with. We have some banana. We have 2 things of banana. I stopped buying banana for a little bit there because they were going bad before I could use them. I have some cucumber. I have 2 things of red velvet cake mix. I like to make cupcakes out of these for the kiddos. And they go through them pretty fast. Like, Jackson wakes up and he's like, "Can I have a cupcake?" And it's like 8 a.m. in the morning. And I'm just like, "No, buddy, no. That's for after dinner." But either way, I like making cupcakes out of these. And then I have some Jiffy corn mix for my sweet corn cake. I have some tricolor pasta here. We have some tomato, basil, and garlic pasta sauce. I don't know. For some reason, these always scream by me. Anything that says tomato, basil, and garlic, anything that says tomato, whatever, it always screams by me. Like the traditional and the meat sauce doesn't really appease to me, but as soon as it says tomato, I'm like, yes, I gotta have it. I have some penne pasta here. I didn't know how low I was on pasta, but I just figured I would just go ahead and grab pasta because I don't want to be here and wanting or needing pasta, and there's no pasta in the pantry. We have some big dippers here. I think I have 2 bags of those. So we got 2 bags of big dippers. So yeah, we have 2 bags of Big Dipper. I have pure cane sugar. I have sugar, but because it's summertime and my children likes to experiment with mixing juice, I always like to have sugar on hand for them to mix juice, even though it tastes like crap. I have cucumber, green onion, tomato, because I'm getting ready to make curry chicken. I have someone coming over for dinner, and I told her I would show her how to make curry chicken. So that's what this is for. Not the cucumber. You can't put cucumber in curry chicken. But the green onion and this is going in the curry chicken. And I have fresh thyme growing in my garden out back. It's the cutest thing. Like, I'm like, whenever time I need thyme, I just go out there and just cut a little piece off, and it smells so fresh and delicious, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm growing thyme in a garden. I have hot dog buns here. I think I bought 2 things of hot dog buns. I did. And then I have some bagel. The funny thing is, the plain bagel at Aldi's is a couple more cents more expensive. Not even, I think it's like 30 cents more than the bagel, the cinnamon raisin, and everything bagel. So I'm like, no. So I just got cinnamon raisin and everything. This is mainly for my husband's breakfast in the morning. The kids can go to town with the bread, and I'm getting better with the breads. This is wheat, so we're getting better, right? We have some graham cracker, cinnamon, and honey for the fire pit, like I said. Let's go on this side. Have some vegetable oil. I have milk, whole milk. We have guava nectar because I wanted to make this Jamaican fruit punch. Couldn't find the mango. I just got guava, but I love mixing Jamaican fruit punch. It tastes so good. I have 2 things of coconut milk. Where is the other one? And I put these in my rice and peas, or rice and beans, whatever you want to call it. And then I have 2 things of whole potatoes. I like to put these in my curry chicken because I'm just lazy enough to not peel real potato. I just think this is so easy, and I don't have to wait for the potatoes to cook. You know what I mean? We have some sweet corn. I got a whole bunch of these, and then I have the cream style. I don't know how many. I think I only got 2 cream style, and then the rest is just corn. So I have a whole bunch of corn, and now I know the yellow ones are the corn, and the blue ones are sweet corn, because I have a nasty habit of opening these thinking it's corn, and then it goes bad. I have some kidney beans, dark red kidney beans. Walmart only had the light ones, so I only picked up 2, but I needed more than 2. I need like 4 because, you know, we cook these. I cook rice and beans on Sundays, and then randomly during the week I'll cook rice and beans, or rice and peas, if you may. Mixed vegetable. I got 4 things of mixed vegetable because these are good to put in like chickens or by themselves. My husband likes to eat them by himself. One thing about my husband, Rob, is that whenever time he eats his dinner, he has to have a side of vegetable. And it annoys me because I'm just not that person. I don't do vegetable. And it's just the Jamaican the Jamaican in me, right? I have buttermilk because Maddie wanted pancakes this morning, and I felt so bad because I didn't have any. So that's why she came over here and was like, this me. I got that for her. And then I also got some spaghetti because I think we're out. I got a ton of black beans because if you guys don't know, my husband is Hispanic and he loves his black beans. Let's move back around so we can get the middle section. I have a condensed milk right here. I don't know, I just like having condensed milk. I also put it in my sweet corn cake. It's really, really good. I just got 1 can of that. And then I have corned beef. I love corned beef with cabbage and rice. So good. Or you can put corned beef, corn, and onion and fry it up. It is so good. You guys don't even know. It's really delicious. And then I have a thing of peanut butter. We're out of peanut butter. Can you guys imagine a house filled with kids, no peanut butter? Oh, it's not pretty. I have a pack of oatmeal because the children like oatmeal in the morning. I have some spring mix because, you know, I'm still struggling to lose the weight. So I'm going to give it a try this summer and see how it goes. If not, then hey, I tried. I have some Blue Bonnet. I wanted real butter, but hey, this is 97 cents or 95 cents. We have some saltine original cracker. We have some baby carrot. I try to feed my kids healthy from time to time, if you would believe that. I have some hazelnut International Delight coffee creamer because I love my coffee creamer. I have Clubhouse crackers. I have original round cracker. I have a ton of ramen noodles. My husband said to stop feeding these to the kids, but come on now. With a $200 budget every 2 weeks for grocery at Family 5, what do you think I feed my kids? So this is breakfast, lunch, dinner. Whenever time I don't feel like cooking, they make it. $4.80. Come on now. We have some cheese. I have Colby and Colby Jack. I need to put it in the fridge because it's kind of hot. It's hot outside, guys. It's hot outside. I have lemon. I have some bologna. I have hot dog. I have Kool-Aid. Let me hurry up. I have chicken broth because I'm getting ready to make curry chicken. And I like to put this in my curry chicken instead of water. It's so good. I have lemon juice if I haven't already said that. Another thing of Jiffy corn mix because I use that for my sweet corn cake. I have Pop-Tarts. This was only $1 at Aldi's. Like what? It's not the actual Pop-Tart, but it's close enough. We have some real mayonnaise. Again, tomato, onion, and garlic. This is tomato, onion, garlic. And then the other one, if I can find it, right here, says tomato, basil, and garlic. So this one is onion, this is basil. So good. I love these. Let me put them over into the middle before they fall off. And then I have a ton of eggs. I have 4 cartons of eggs. Because we go through eggs like none other, especially on Sundays and Saturdays. We have some ground beef here, and this usually lasts us for like 2 meals, 4 if we're really, good. But Rob loves his food, so yeah, that's only 2 meals. I picked this up, but then I invited someone over for dinner, so I went ahead and grabbed a bigger pack at Walmart because I figured this is just for our family. If I'm having someone over, I needed a bigger pack, so I just got that one. So this was $7.60 and this was $5.66. Aldi's did not have the bigger pack, or else I would have. I love using this for curry chicken instead of just the chicken thigh with the bone, because I find that when I cut up this, there's particle of bones in the curry chicken, and that is not fun to pick through or get stuck in your teeth or in your gum when you're chewing, because you don't know it's there. So I don't want to use this for curry chicken. I like the boneless, skinless one because I find that it makes the best curry chicken. I have some chicken drumsticks for 4th of July. So I'm going to put this and this together and marinate it now. Today's Tuesday, 4th of July is Thursday. So I'm going to marinate that, and it should be good. Robert's going to put it on the grill, and then he's going to put some hot dogs, and of course he has to get a sausage. But I leave that up to him because he knows what he likes. And then these are just for regular meals during the week. And then I have some vanilla cookies, some pretzel sticks, and mini twist right there. And then moving on over here, I have a bag of 10-pound rice. We have some yogurt. These are the bomb, especially this one, thebomb.com. Like, so good. I have some salsa. Yay, more corned beef. Flour and a bag of potato. And I did went ahead and get 2 things of water from Aldi's, a 24 pack. So I think that's like 24 or 25. No, 24. So it's like 48 bottles of water. At Walmart, they sell the case of 40 for $3.99. And at Aldi's, it was 24 for $1.74. So, yes. Anyways, guys, that completes this week worth of grocery haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.